Good morning, all. Today we will discuss a topic of HRM, that is strategic HRM. In this topic, we will discuss about what is strategic HRM, definition of strategic HRM from various scientists, how a strategic HRM is different from traditional HRM, and what's the importance of strategic HRM. So, meaning of strategic HRM. In order to gain a competitive advantage from the human capital, there is a growing importance to think HRM from strategic point of view and to relate HR strategies with the overall corporate and business strategies. So basically in strategic HRM, what companies are doing, they are aligning the HR strategies of the organization with the overall strategies in order to gain the business advantage to increase the performance of the business as well as the performance of the workforce. Therefore, strategic HRM has been defined as the linking of HRM with the strategic goals and objectives of an organization in order to improve business performance and to develop organizational culture that foster innovation and flexibility. Now, various definitions of strategic HRM. According to Schuller, strategic human resource management is largely about integration and adaptation. Its concern is to ensure that human resource management is fully integrated with the strategies and strategic needs of the firm. So basically alignment of human resource strategies with the strategies of the firm. Second, HR policies cohere both across policies areas and across different hierarchies. Third, HR practices are adjusted, accepted, and used by line manager and employees as a part of their everyday work. According to Jeffrey A. Mello, the development of a consistent, aligned collection of practices and programs and policies to facilitate the achievement of the organizational strategic objectives is strategic HRM. According to Truce and Grattan, strategic HRM is defined as the linking of HRM with strategic goals and objectives in order to improve business performance and develop organizational cultures that foster innovation and flexibility. So finally, what is strategic HRM? Strategic HRM in general can be defined as the process of linking the human resource function with the strategic objectives of the organization in order to improve the performance of both the organization as well as the performance of the workforce of the organization. Thus, strategic human resource management is the practice of attracting, developing, rewarding, and retaining employees for the benefit of both the employees as individual and organization as the whole in order to increase the business performance to achieve the organizational objectives as well as the objectives of the individuals who are working in an organization. Now we will discuss about the importance of strategic HRM, why strategic HRM or the concept of strategic HRM is important in today's world. It identifies and analyzes external opportunities and threats that may be crucial to the company's success. So it helps in the identification of external opportunities and external threats. It provides a clear business strategies and vision for the future success of the organization. It supplies competitive intelligence that may be useful in the strategic planning process of the organization. It also plays a vital role in recruiting, retaining, and motivating the human talent in an organization. Next, uh, it ensures that people development issues are addressed systematically. It also supplies information regarding the company internal strengths and weaknesses. It also meets the expectations of the customers effectively and efficiently. It also ensures high productivity of the both organization as well as the workforce of the organization. It also ensures business surplus through competence. So these are the certain importance of strategic HRM, why strategic HRM is required in today's world, and what's the importance of strategic HRM. Now the last subtopic of this lecture is the difference between traditional versus strategic HRM. How traditional HRM and strategic HRM are different from each other. So the term HRM implies the implementation of management principles for managing the workforce of an organization. It is concerned with the process of hiring, developing, and retaining the manpower with a view to making them more efficient. So that is something called traditional HRM, or the concept of traditional HRM. Now, how strategic HRM is different from human resource management, or basically what is strategic HRM? So, strategic HRM, also known as SHRM, is a process of aligning the business strategies with the company's human resource practices so as to attain strategic goals of an organization, as well as to achieve the individual goals and the goals of the society as a whole. Now, on following points, we will discuss the difference between traditional versus strategic HRM. So this table consists of three columns. One is the basis of comparison between the traditional HRM and the strategic HRM. Then first column is the for the HRM, and second column is the for the strategic HRM. So first base of comparison is meaning. So like we already discussed, human resource management implies the governance of manpower of an organization in through and structured manner. So it involves recruitment, selection, retention, and motivation of an employee in an organization in a structured way. That is the traditional HRM. Now, strategic HRM is a managerial function which implies framing of HR strategies in such a way to direct employees' efforts towards the goals of the organization. So you are aligning between the goals of a human who is working in an organization, or a workforce goals, with the goals of an organization in order to achieve the both organizational goals as well as the individual goals in a more effective and efficient way. Now we will discuss about the nature of HRM and strategic HRM. So nature of HRM is reactive, and the nature of strategic HRM is proactive. Reactive means which comes after the particular threat or a particular opportunity is coming to the organization, then the reaction to that particular threat or the opportunity, that is your HR. Proactive approach is approach in advance. Advance in order to find out the opportunity, taking the advantage of opportunities present in the business environment, and that is something strategic HRM. Now the approach for HRM and approach for strategic HRM. Approach of HRM is fragmented, while that of strategic HRM is integrated, where you are coordinating the efforts of organization and the workforce for the success of the organization. Now, scope. HRM scope is limited as compared to the strategic HRM scope. Scope of HRM is only concerned with the employees, while the scope of strategic HRM is concerned with the employees as well as the organization, success of the employees as well as the organization, achieving the objectives of the employee as well as organization. Now, time horizon or the planning. So in case of HRM, short-term planning is required, while in case of your strategic HRM, long-term planning is required. Why long-term planning is required? Because you have to align the organizational goals with the HR goals in order to success of the organization. So that's why time horizon or planning is long-term in case of your strategic HRM. Basic factors in case of HRM is focus on capital and products, while strategic HRM is more focused on knowledge and people, welfare of people, expanding the knowledge of people, employee empowerment. So that is something the basic factors including strategic HRM. Now the last comparison is on the basis of change. HRM follow change while strategic HRM initiate change. So that's the difference between the strategic HRM and a traditional HRM. Traditional HRM is basically reactive, or it follows a change, while strategic HRM has a proactive approach, it initiates the change. So that's all with the topic of strategic HRM, in which we discussed today about what is strategic HRM, what's the importance of strategic HRM, and how traditional HRM and strategic HRM are different with each other. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.